If you're experiencing login errors on Cash App, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you identify common problems and provide solutions. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can prevent you from logging in. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that resolves the issue. Step 2. Verify your login credentials. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Update the Cash App. Make sure you are using the latest version of Cash App. Go to your device's App Store, check for updates, and install any available updates. An outdated app can cause login issues. Step 4. Clear cache and data. If you are using an Android device, go to your device settings, find Cash App, and clear the cache and data. For iOS devices, you may need to uninstall and reinstall the app. This can help resolve any corrupted data that might be causing the login error. Step 5. Contact Cash App support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Cash App support for assistance. You can do this through the app or their official website. Provide them with details about the error you are facing for a quicker resolution. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any login errors on Cash App. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from customer support.